What is up, trappers? Check it out. We got the blue from the mini truck. You can see a little bit of the red from over there. But anyway, guys, this is another episode of Creepin While You're Sleeping. Man, that train, it always gets me. But anyway, guys, it is like almost 5 a.m. And this is an episode of Creepin While You're Sleeping. I've been out here working on the TrapBlazer. You can see I got the red on it a little bit, guys. Man, there's more work to come on this. I'm going to do some interior lights here on the TrapBlazer, but I've been working on some of the posterior lights. Man, there's my neighbors. They're going to work. Anyway, but you see this, guys? We got the fog lights going because one of these was blown. They had some sort of, I don't know, halogen bright tube bulb in there with an aftermarket ballast. It just plugged into the factory harness. But I think one of them was bad, so I got rid of it completely. And we just went with the stock fog lights. Well, I forget what they are. I forget the number. But anyway, we just tied the bow tie in. I just drilled a hole in the bumper behind where the plate goes here, and just ran the wires through it and connected them into this fog light, guys. I think I'm going to get some grill lights going on. I was thinking about the billet grill for this. I think that looks real good in these trucks, guys. So that may be something that we do, but I don't think I'm going to put an RGB light in there. I think I'm just going to put a white light in there, guys. You can see I got the red underglow going. Guys, I took this thing for a cruise this morning. I went to go get a coffee, took it for a ride, beat the stereo a little bit. Man, I need my interior lights in there. I think all the interior like dome lights and floor lights, I think I'm going to leave those or maybe put bright LEDs in there. But we're going to definitely put a set of color change LEDs that run on the Bluetooth, probably ones that match the underglow here, probably the same ones like we had in the TrapBlazer. But I want to leave the white lights so that way if I need my dome lights on or I'm working in here or whatever, I still have my bright white lights, guys. So that's what we're working on there. There goes the neighbor kid there. There's Keegan. Shout out to him, man. He's up and at 'em. And guys, he's been working a lot on that Civic, so maybe one day we'll catch him out here. I know he got a couple 12-inch subs. What are they? Fosgate P3s. I think he's probably working on getting an amp and some things. I know he put a new bumper, a new set of headlights in that thing. It's a Honda Civic, man. That kid loves that car. But it's not bad. He's doing a lot of work to it, and he loves his car. So that's really what it's about. So, you know, maybe we'll get this camera flipped and get on him one day or get him over here and, you know, just let him tell you and show you what he's been doing. Plus, he's got a YouTube. I can't think of the channel right now, but I give him a shout out so that way everybody can go check out his YouTube channel. Sorry, man, I can't think of what the hell it is offhand. But anyway, guys, that's what we're doing. Everybody's sleeping. We're out here creeping. Guys, the official post for the mini truck giveaway will be coming soon, man. You can't see me nothing, man. Just eyes and teeth. Damn. But anyway, all the official video for the mini truck giveaway, whatever, is going to be coming out. Guys, in Indiana, you can't have a raffle. And like there's other stuff to it, so we're gonna call it a merchandise milestone giveaway. And the shirts are posted. If they're up and you order them, guys, you're gonna be in for the giveaway. You're not gonna be excluded before the post or anything like that. I seen Brent Mishler's name in there, man. I think he ordered 2 or 3 shirts. I'm pretty sure I have to get in there and dig around, guys. I really haven't taken a look. I'm just giving it some time before I go in there, and hopefully, you know, when I go in, we're sold out. That'd be great, guys. So don't miss your opportunity. Let me adjust this a little bit. Don't miss your opportunity and your chance to win whatever, to be gifted, however it's supposed to be said, the legalities, man. I really have to check into the legal terms and all that stuff, guys. But anyway, for your chance to acquire the mini truck, guys, if we could make this happen and it's successful, we're going to do the TrapBlazer also and a whole line of different things. I just want to keep doing it and just keep giving vehicles away. That's the goal, guys. But we got to get through this one first, make sure everything happens and get the details. And like with anything, guys, you know, like this is the first time I'm really doing it. I kind of tested waters last year with the lit giveaway. Shout out to Tyler Simpson, man, Chevy gang all day. He was the lit giveaway winner last year, so that was a little test of something like that. So this is a lot bigger test, guys. So if we can get through it and make it happen, okay, we're just gonna keep it rolling, man, and keep it going all year long. In the winter, I don't know, maybe we'll do some 4x4s or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out, guys. We'll get some Subarus, all-wheel drives, I don't know, whatever. And in the summertime, you know, we'll do sports cars, Chevy trucks, that sort of thing. But that's the goal, guys. Help me out. If you guys want cool giveaway vehicles, things like that. You want your own trapped out whip. Man, I still want to do a Regal on big wheels. But if you guys want all that stuff, man, just help me out. Get in there. Let's hit the milestones on the merchandise. That really is the key to it. If we can hit the milestones on the merch, guys, I can't wait to give these away because I have fun in doing all this stuff, and I have fun driving them. See, there's more people going to work. I got headlights on me. But, you know, I really enjoy doing this. I enjoy hanging out. I enjoy taking the vehicles out and enjoying them, driving them, getting things done. But I want to give them to you guys so that way you can enjoy them and we can get different ones on the show all the time. And there's pretty much an endless list on, you know, we'll call it Greg's list and Facebook Martin's place, all that kind of stuff. You guys get the idea. So there's an endless supply of vehicles that we can, you know, trap out and give away. So that's the goal, guys. Help me out. Get in there. Get them shirts. Let's get them, guys. But anyway, that's what it is. To the next clip. Good morning, everybody. I'm going to be up for a while. Hit me up in the AM. This is what we're doing. Keep on trapping.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.